Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to redeem coins on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone and go to whatever item that you want to order. Let me just find it in my wish list. For example, this one. Now I have to proceed to checkout page. So press buy now button at the bottom, select exactly which item that you want to order, and now scroll down to section summary, and now you see this line saved. This is basically discounts that you can make with your coins. So tap here and you will see that I have spent one coin for this order, and this gave me this little discount. And if I press here, I can select if I don't want to use any coins this time, but I will still use my coins. So basically, in order to redeem your coins on AliExpress, you have to do literally nothing, because AliExpress automatically deducts your coins. But here's one thing that you have to look out for: items that say extra % off with coins. And what I mean by that, if I go back to my item, I scroll down a little bit and I will see here line extra 1% off with coins, and that means that this item supports this discounts with coins. But for example, if I go to some other item, for example this one, I will not see here this line, and that means if I go to checkout page, scroll down to summary, I will not see any discounts that can be applied by coins. So yeah, you should look for items that say extra % off with coins. So that's basically how you can redeem your coins on AliExpress. I hope that this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.